I just want to show you how easy my wigs are to take off and put on. These are wigs for people with no time to stick on, glue on, massage and mess about with makeup. I don't have hours in the morning. I'm a mum, a working mum who needs to get out the door quick time. So I grab my coat and I grab my wig. So I want to just show you how quick my wigs are. Off. And now, on. Every day I have a different look. And every day it takes me, how long did that take? Seconds. This is how I love to live my life. Quick time, rapid. Coat on, wig on, let's go.